you're not going to be pros at this. We didn't expect that, okay? And whether or not you ever use a complete diagonal after this day, I don't know. Okay? But you do need to be exposed to it, understand the concepts of it, and then you have to be that kind of smorgasbord individual who picks and chooses what you want to take from it, okay? Just so there wasn't confusion when I wrote this up here, when I was building the grid, these little crisscross lines, these are not the diagonals. I mean, even though they're going diagonals, okay? What they represent is that the B here and the B here are together, okay? So they're in opposite corners, and the B and the D. Everything here, if I stand like this, that was a tip of that, and I have to get this on film. So, but if I stand like this, what do you see on the board over here? This is just what? That's D1, okay? And it's got a flexion component and an extension component, okay? Now the thing that's nice about it is that we've just done the upper extremity. We did 2 diagonals, 1 and 2. Same thing applies to the lower extremity. You don't have to remake it. It applies as well, okay? The lower extremity is going to be even less functional, okay? For the upper extremity, remember we had kind of the stable core, the thorax, and the hand was moving in space, kind of that pendular type model, which is common. That's what you're just doing there, and that's how your upper extremities are often used. Okay, it's kind of open chain like that. If they prefer to use it. But down below, lower extremity, you're going to be a little bit different. It's more the inverted pendular activity that takes place on a regular basis. But all that stuff in the diagonals tends to be more that distal end, free to move in space kind of stuff. So it's a little bit less applicable, but you can still grab multiple muscles at once and do them in kind of a group fashion to get various types of responses. So if I can go ahead and have a volunteer right here.